Collaboration and clear communications are vital aspects of software development. So when raising a pull request, do you often write concise and informative summaries of the changes that you're making? Unfortunately, it's not always the case and can introduce friction into the process. If the code in your pull request is difficult to understand or there's a lot of it, then it may be a challenge for your colleagues to provide you with clear and actionable feedback in reviews. Fortunately, GitHub Copilot Enterprise can help you on the right track with pull request summaries. Once your enterprise admin has enabled Copilot Enterprise, you will see a GitHub Copilot icon appear in the editor of a new or existing pull request. This button uses the power of GitHub Copilot to summarize your pull request so that it can make that collaboration process even more seamless. Once generated, you'll notice that it provides an overall summary of the pull request changes, as well as a summary of the changes on a file-by-file basis, linking to the diff view in the pull request. Remember, Copilot is a tool and not a replacement, so before you save and publish your pull request, make sure to carefully review the generated summary for accuracy and make modifications if needed. Let's think of another scenario. How many times have you been browsing through code in a GitHub repository trying to make sense of the implementation? Copilot Enterprise can help here too. When browsing code in github.com, you'll notice that the GitHub Copilot icon will appear. This experience provides you with quick access to the Copilot chat experience in the GitHub platform, enabling you to quickly explain code and continue the conversation as you need. In this short example, we've seen that Copilot Enterprise can make collaboration easier by providing a clear summary of the pull request changes so that a reviewer can more effectively direct their time in the review process. Additionally, Copilot has been on hand ready to explain the code that we're viewing in a repository. Whether that's specific lines of code or entire files, we're able to fluidly continue that conversation. You can try out this experience in github.com today, and we look forward to receiving your feedback.